Is a power bank really that safe? Even after this kind of brutal damage, it doesn't catch fire or explode. Let's check out the specs first. It has two built-in 5000 mAh solid-state batteries, for a total capacity of 10,000 mAh. Both Type-C ports support two-way fast charging, with a maximum input and output of 40 watts. The middle USB port can output up to 33 watts. But is a solid-state power bank with Vepsami's power management chip really that safe? Let's find out with a destructive test. No more talking, time to punch some holes in the battery. Here comes our veteran actor. Even after this level of damage, there's no smoke and no fire. Looks like Vepsami's power management system really does its job. Let's see if it still works. Unbelievably, it charges just fine. That's wild. All tests are 100% real. The solid-state power bank with Vepsami's power management chip shows incredible safety, thanks to the high stability of its solid-state electrolyte. Besides being super safe, it's also compact and stylish, and even has a loop for an easy carry strap. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the test, don't forget to subscribe.